Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change graphics settings on Monster Hunter now. So let's get started right away. First of all, open the Monster Hunter Now application from your app drawer. Once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the bottom left corner. From your profile page, tap on Settings at the bottom right and scroll down to Graphics. You can adjust your graphics from low, middle, high, or very high. Select the graphics of your preferences, and then after you are done making a selection, you will be able to change your graphic settings for Monster Hunter Now. So that is how you can easily change your display settings on Monster Hunter Now within a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.